Can't hear it.
I'd rather sell it.
I'm gonna take berries.
Go. I need better cover. We got some at the wood plywood. Dad, I'm coming to you. I said I'm coming to you.
Hey, Bill, pass it on.
One down.
There's nothing to see over here.
Hay bales.
Should I go to hay bales?
12 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Hit! Oh man, that was a good shot. Hit! Hit! Hit!
Awesome.
Who got hit?
What? I didn't get hit.
Someone got hit up here.
Oh, okay. All I see is guys far.
Alright. You know how it is on the hill?
They move up slowly on the hill. Hit! Hit! Don't shoot! Are they by the plywood? Anyone near plywood?
No, I just took those guys out.
Anyone covering the peak bed?
Wait, there's somebody just got up there.
Oh shoot.
Where's he at?
Gun hit. Shit, this is a bad spot. I'm leaving.
Hey, look up Woodside, guy. They're coming up there.
I see a teammate far up there. He was walking their direction.
How's the hill looking? How's it up here?
I don't know, I'm taking a look. We got teammates up here. That's a good sign. Damn my face. I'm still getting poison ivy.
Hey, where do you guys see him?
I don't see anyone.
Thanks. big stack of hay bales to the other side of the hills occupied.
I got nothing on sunny side. We got guys moving the hedgerows on their side.
One more time.
Thank you. Why are you standing out in the open? You realize I'm shooting at you? I'm moving the hay bales.
How far ahead can we safely move?
So what?
How far ahead can we safely move?
Not far.
Okay.
We're right within their range. Guy moving.
Far back, far back.
Wow, BBs are dropping way short. I'm pretty sure mine are too. But I'm gonna move anyway.
Alright.
Hit! Dad, they're way at the top. I want to stand out in the open like that.
That guy's really close.
What happened to dead man don't talk? Watch out, they're way up there. I say we hold here and wait. Get into better cover. Out into that ditch right there. Right in front of you. Suppressing. You got. I don't have eyes. If he has a pistol, you can outrange him. There might be a rifle up there. Sign hate me. Sign hate me. I'm out. I'm out of the game. Go. Get out there. Someone's mag. Hey, go out there. Someone with the MP5 guy. Your mag.
Drop two.
Here you go.
Thank you. God dang it. Darn it. I only have two. Oh my god, the one guy.
I know the range. Oh, maybe you do have the range. Near the hay bales and plywood down there. Guy moving. Thank you.
You got him?
Yeah, I got one. Hey, are the numbers blinking?
Yeah, they are.
Alright, thank you. They got a riot shield down there. I want to shoot him. He put a shield up. What the fuck? Someone hit me right here. Let's go. Damn it. They're out of my range. Well, I'll shoot him anyway.
Ready? Alright. Fuck, I got hit.
Oh, I thought that was me.
You see him? Behind the little shack?
Yeah, but I don't have the range for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I do have the range for that guy behind the... He's ducking because he got hit.
He keeps touching his head.
Hey, look at my BBs. Where are they going? Like, how should I compensate?
Oh, no. He's moving. Damn it.
He's gone.
Look at that guy's moving fast, huh?
Yours are dropping way low.
Yeah.
Just hop up. Oh, guy by the hedgerow. One's curving to the left. Oh, you suck at shooting right-handed. Why do I even try?
Is there any place we can move up to?
You can move up the hill up there. Or you can move down and move through the Doritos.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like Woodside's having trouble. Let's try and pick him off there. Yup. We got guys moving.
See if I can get over here.
Come on, why don't you pop out? Oh shit.
Oh, hit.
I'll avenge you. Top of hill? Top of hill over there? Whatever. First. Yup, I'm right here. Ah, freaking gun. That'll be me shooting you. That's fine. They're pushing hard on one side.
The active speedball, the active speedball.
Let's go, Orange! Hold them at tree side! Loading up! I see guys moving up on the hill. Wait, is that orange? That's green.
Speedball, one bunker up from the X. One bunker up from the X. There are two and one bunker up from the X.
That guy's green. I should have been shooting at him. Oh, fucking hit me through that. Fuck me. Wind is really bad. Got that guy. How can he call hit and keep on going? Fucking keep shooting him. Are you hit or not? Get out of there! There it comes. Last mag, 200 rounds. Big egg! Ah. Dead. Guys, we need to think of a worse name than the Battle of the Bulge. Respawn. Hey Dad, what's up?
Fuck!
They're up there by the hay bales, not on the hills. And everywhere. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Up by the hay bales?
Yeah, they are. I got banged up there. They're definitely there.
God, Isaac.
Or maybe he's pushed around.
Gotcha, bitch. Alright, I got the guy who was camped behind that tree. Did you call hit?
I had some good angles on guys moving up
What?
there,
Did you call
but
hit?
they kept me suppressed good. Every time it popped up, a BB flew past my head.
We are in the dark right now. There's like a guy all the way up there on Sunny Side.
Someone shoot at me so I know where you are.
I need cover on the front side.
Oh, there you go.
Over here, coming up this way.
We got Dorito, 12 o'clock.
Alright, I'm coming up.
We got guys far away walking.
Alright, dude, I'm coming out. And we need more firepower on the right side.
Well, our left is completely exposed. They could come all the way around from the hills.
We got two people over here, though. One more.
I see a lot of walking on the hills.
They're walking down the road.
Walking towards us.
Yeah, they're all the way up on the sunny side. They're walking. They're coming over. Is that guy still back there behind the Dorito?
I don't know. Maybe someone got him.
He's
Maybe
wearing
someone.
gray or blue, I think.
Oh yeah, he's still there.
Yep, yep.
No return fire. He has bad aim and he's suppressed easily. I see your head. Oh, that's that guy. Oh, I'm sorry. I accidentally shot someone that was dead in the head. God damn it.
They deserve it. Screw that.
It's not right, man.
One's running back.
I'm peeking out. You should be able to shoot me.
He's looking at you.
Yeah, I know.
Dorito, man.
Yeah, Dorito man has terrible aim. Oh, sorry. I'll go low. All his BBs are hitting the tree or landing over there.
Is anyone coming from the right? I don't even know. I'm on my last mag though. I have two more. One of them's in a high cap. Yeah, you should let me use the mid cap thing. You need to.
Hey, guys, we need confirmation. You see that guy up by the trees? You on our side?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see him all the way.
Wow, I'm surprised we got guys all the way up there.
Wait. Crap. Never mind. I only have a high cap.
Behind that dirt mound! By the tree! Not the one with the sandbags, the one to your left.
Up there on sunny side. They are getting real close. I got one. Yeah, I got one up on the right side.
God, I really want to kill Dorito, man. Oh, oh well, that's life.
Walk back. Oh, I see him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did you see that? He put his hands up and...
Respawn!
There he goes. I got him. He finally caught his kid. It'd be lovely if this gun was out there. Yeah.
You guys should try this new camo pan, Tan, OD, and Woodland. It's called, I'll call it the 3-power and disruptive.
Nice. We have 4 people up on Sunnyside with green on them. They're coming over, and then we have...
Dad, I think you might want to move over here. You're about to get flanked.
Putting up a smoke right there.
Oh, they blazing?
Right there. They are right there.
Oh, that guy's dead. That guy's not. Sorry about that. I shot him a little bit too much.
Those guys who use the smoke is dead.
Dad, you got a lot of guys moving up your way. In fact, they have your flank.
Hey, up on the hill,
Fall back. Dad, fall back. Oh, look at them up there.
They're just looking at us like they're taking their jolly time. Okay.
They're encircling us. Well, I'll fall back to the base all the way back there.
They're shooting at you.
Well, I'll fall back all the way over there.
Run.
Alright, let's go. Hey, whoever's orange, let's fall back to the last area over here.
There's a dude up on the hill, though. There's one guy. Or 2 guys.
There's like 3 of them.
Okay, now there's 3 of them.
Oh snap, we're pinned in. Damn it. I need to wind. Good shot.
How many more are left
Wow, that's a long trip back to spawn.
Yeah.
Already out of the game.
Do we have
Pretty
anyone
sure
up here?
they're out there.
Do we have anyone up here? On the hill?
I haven't been shot at, but I'm pretty sure they're there. If they can get over there, why not go farther back and come over here? They could be trying to come this way right now, for all we know.
Oh, do you see that guy? Up there.
He's out of my range. Hi!
Does he even have a gun?
I don't know. He has a pistol. Oh, he has a pistol. He has no range. Let's kill him. Yeah, see that guy up there? He has a pistol. He's got no range. Or he's baiting us.
Over there to the right in those areas. Down behind the branches?
Oh wait, I think he pulled out an assault rifle. No, he still has a pistol.
They're here. He said that. Okay, he's bait.
Yeah, he's
Watch
bait.
to the
He's
right,
bait. Don't
watch
buy
behind
it.
I'll cover us.
We have the number. I mean, we have the advantage in numbers.
There might be more hiding over there.
Even if there is 2 of them.
Fine.
Hey!
One on the road, one on the road!
See him.
Keep advancing.
I'm almost out of ammo here.
What?
I'm almost out of ammo.
Reloading mag?
No, I'm good for now. Got at least a third of a mag left.
I got the handle.
Don't need it quite yet. Oh, he's running. Run, ball, run!
Does anyone have a mid cap? No? I got this.
We got a runner.
Where?
Run!
Don't bunch up. Bunch it out.
I'm gonna go this way. You guys can take care of him if you want to.
You stay.
Just a random BB for them.
I've got 6 orange behind the bowl. 6 orange behind the bowl.
We got you behind the ball!
Whoa! Come and get us!
That's what I said.
That's what I said!
We're gonna kill you!
Go up there and get him. I'll watch you.
I've never been this far back here before. I've seen this place, but never been back here.
No, man, I'm in my pack.
Why don't we spawn over here? We get more of the field.
Did you have a speed reloader?
No. We got 2 kills.
Rush in!
Watch down there. They were shooting you.
Hey, did we hit the pistol?
Did we get the pistol guy up there?
Huh? What?
Did we get the pistol guy up there?
He ran over here. He's right there.
Alright.
Turns out he had an SMG. Really helped him. Let's go catch up with these guys. Hey, just wondering, how many lives do you guys have left?
I have one.
One, yeah.
I'm down to my last one also.
Alright. Oh wait. No, I have one respawn, so I have 2 lives.
Oh, when you respawn down there, you're gonna get surrendered. You might as well call yourself out. Call it done for this round.
Where are they? Where are they?
This is Sean Condon. We're the last of 5 remaining. Lost the rubber band again. Well, got shot. Picking up a rubber band. Well, I'm on your side. Don't shoot me anymore. I'm looking for us. I'm looking. I dropped something. Don't shoot me. I'm looking for something. Has anyone seen the rubber band? I have others. Tell me that. I'm Sean Connery. I'm dead.